Today on Tractor Friend, we're going to be doing the part 2 of testing the AR450 cutting edge, because our original BXpanded cutting edge ended up having that bow in it like we have in the inset picture. So we'll get going here. The general idea is we have this stump, it has a V-notch cut into it to hold the branch that we're about to start ripping. And we just grab in the beginning. The bark comes off pretty easy, but you know, there's a whole bunch of sapwood right there. You know, we'll go into fast mode here shortly. Just wanted to show the first few peels, and we'll slow down once in a while through it to show some interesting things. There we go. Now it's more fun to watch the pieces peel off. I don't always get a good bite there. And I'm doing this testing to show that material matters on a cutting edge like this. The AR450 edge is quite superior to the original BXpanded edge. It's also a little bit thicker, but I don't think that really matters that much. Just trying to get the edge of the bucket right there, or the edge of the edge. Whoops. Let's put that back. And we have a new side to work on a little bit. It is quite literally digging a hole in the tree. The stump is starting to get in my way. It's a little bit too high. You can see I'm using my boom against it as a pry point a little bit to get a little bit better show. Whoops, messed up there again. Yep, I've had it with the edge there. There we go. That looks a lot better. For the rest of this, we're going to go ahead and zoom right in on the cutting edge so that we can see the ripping happen. I was thinking at this point that other camera on that other tripod there was working, but turns out I was wrong. This also gives a little bit better view of the notch that I cut out to set this up. It really chews sideways better than it does lengthwise, so cross-cutting works better. Oops, threw it over to the side again. Let's pull it back, pull it back. That's a good bite. Yeah, right at, just, we have enough power that the edge tooth will do some pretty good digging into the wood, which comes in handy when you're cutting roots in the ground. There's a nice piece to peel off. That was satisfying. I'll be posting another video soon of this stump coming out of the ground. Really getting in there. Yeah, we've got a good grip now. Alright, it's a leverage game. Break the rest of it. Split a good piece off there too. And just for the satisfying sake of it, it has to be into two actual pieces. Oopsie. Folded over itself. There we go. Take a look at that. We'll take a look at that cutting edge later and see if we did any damage to it. Look at that end there. Chewed out. Wicked, baby. Here's the biggest piece we chunked off. Another good piece. Look at this stuff. Big piece. So here we have set of pictures showing a few different things. The top picture is the original BXpanded cutting edge, and you can see the arrow is pointing to a part of that edge that's just been beat and deformed. The bottom on the left is this cutting edge before starting this task, which there's a previous video. It's already ripped a tree in half where my finger's pointing there, or a branch. And then the larger is the cutting edge right now after everything was all said and done. And what you can see is in the said and done picture, there's no difference to any of the very sharp edges. So that means this AR450 edge will remain sharp for a lot longer time. And that's really important with a bucket edge, at least, so that whenever you're going in to grab brush, that it has something to stick to. You want it to stick, hold, and use the forward pushing of the tractor to rip it out of the ground. This edge would be great for that. It sure is good on the backhoe bucket. I'm definitely keeping it. Well, thanks for stopping by, Tractor Friend. I do appreciate your views, and keep yourself a smile on.